at work. Hi, tropa. You take care always. Rajan, hello. Rahul, hello. Kabute, hello. Nearly knock off time anyways. What time is it there? Boss Mokong, hello. Wait. Kasi, hello. Hi, Mokong. Kamusta? Kamusta ka? Aking mahal. Sana ay nasa... Hi, Dwayne. How are you doing? Wag mo sanang damdamin. Hi, Christian. Hamad, hello. Follow po kita. Sige. May WhatsApp ka? Mo ako. Send mo yung WhatsApp mo sa akin. Send mo WhatsApp mo sa akin mo ako. Meron. Send mo sa akin. Oh. Meron. Send mo sa akin. Kaso di nagagamit. Gamitin natin. Yan ang maganda. Gagamitin natin. Hi, B. Send mo. Add kita. Natsu, hello. How are you, Natsu? Hi, see you. BLG, hello. Hi, Donnie. See you. How are you doing? Are you feeling good today, see you? Hi. Good afternoon. Hi, Ronnie. Henry, hello. What is 1K? 1K, I will surprise you. I will going to call you. Do you want it? You tap this what? What is that? I will call you. I have surprise to you. Alex, hello. You send your WhatsApp to me. Send your WhatsApp to me, then I will explain it. What is that? Do you want to call me? Sure, yes. You send your WhatsApp to me. Your number. Adam, hello. Okay, wait. Okay. I will wait. Yan Yan, hello. How are you, Yan Yan? Boss Mokong, asan? Hi, James. Angelo, hello. Wait. Boss 19, hello. Yeah, wait. I will going to add you. Neo, hello. How are you, Neo? Coffee Cut, what are you doing? Hi, Raju. Lewis, hello. Wala eh. Send mo ako Telegram siguro. Telegram meron. Jow, hello. Takumi, hi. Zyle, hello. Guys, you tap this what if. Hi, Leroy. Jap, wait lang. Hindi ka maghintay. Boss mo kung send mo yung sayo. Yung message ko dito di pwede eh. Hi, Kulin. Hoy, Kulin. Kamusta? Fred, hello. Anos, hello. Kian. You tap this what if, Kian. Tagasan ka? Where are you from, Kian? Boss mo kung send mo yung sayo. Ako mag-a-add.